Utkarsh Biscuitwala and I am pursuing BTech Mechanical Engineering from SRM KTR.
Hello, myself Sumit Chaudhary and I am pursuing mechanical engineering from SRM KTR.
My name is Ayan Muduli and I am pursuing electrical and electronics engineering from SRMS KTR Chennai. And our team is working on ARC. Its full form is Automated Robotic Coconut Harvester. And our team ID is NAVM21IM107 under the topic Idea on Innovative Bots. Our basic idea is a robotic system that can climb and cut coconuts from various coconut trees. First, Harsh will explain you the working of our gripping mechanism to the tree.
For having a grip on the tree, we are using 4-bar mechanisms for our links to grab the tree parallelly as seen. The movement of the link is controlled by the worm and worm wheel gears, where worm gear is directly attached to the motor of required torque to hold the weight of the body on the tree. 4 such 4 bars are used in total of the system for helping the bot to perform a caterpillar-like movement. The spring attached at the outermost link helps to attain a better grip at the surface of the tree for variable diameter. Independent motors for left and right grippers helps to have grip on the surface which is not symmetrical and perfectly circle in the shape. The curved shape of the link helps to have more surface area in contact at a time for better traction. Worm gear prevents the reverse motion of the link on its own, as one of the characteristics of the worm gear being that the driver and driven gear remains the same and cannot be interchanged. Therefore, once the link is attached with the tree, it cannot get detached on its own, which eliminates the need of constant torque providence from the motor for continuous holding on the tree.
Now Sumit will explain the locomotion of our robot.
For the locomotion of a robot, we have used linear actuator of 5000 Nm and we have designed a mechanism for the straight upward movement of the robot. For that, we have provided 2 guides on the left and right of the linear actuator, and for smooth movements in the guides, we have installed sliding channels for the same. Our guiding mechanism is inspired from a matchbox and we have used the same principle of sliding as in the matchbox. The sliding channels itself sets a limit for the guide so that it does not go beyond the required stretch, and in this way we have designed the locomotion for the robot, which we call a spine. Thank you.
For coconut cutting, we have used a mechanism from a new age sector of robotics known as soft robotics. The mechanism is termed as continuum arm. In comparison with traditional arms having solid links, continuum structure is able to easily adapt to the unstructured environment. Despite its advantages, wire-driven mechanisms have a serious problem with tension, as tension failure while pulling and pushing. Therefore, we propose a discrete continuum arm with a pre-tension mechanism that prevents tension failure or over-tension problems. To understand this arm, think of a person flying kite. If one person does both the things, that is maintaining tension in strings and also slowly loosening the string to maintain its effective length, it will be a very difficult situation to handle. That's why if 2 persons do the same job, it becomes easy. We have applied the same principle. Here our arm is basically divided into 4 segments. First, the rolling motion of entire setup, which is achieved by simple motor and gear setup, upon which there is the actuation mechanism. The second one. Here, the speciality of such mechanism is that we are using only one motor to actuate 2 directions with a single string. This effectively reduces the amount of power and also the number of motors used. As you can see, we have used 2 lead screws through which a customized 3D printed housing unit traverses up and down. As the motor rotates clockwise, it will go up. and if it rotates anti-clockwise, it will go down to achieve actuation of string tension. As we move up, there is the third segment known as the pre-tension mechanism. This is devised after extensive research and a complex network of pulley and strings are made. As you can see, 4 of the blue holding brackets, each containing 2 pulleys, so as to provide a constant tension force with the help of spring. The force function of the tension springs are carefully calculated in order to achieve such tension. All of this is cased under a 3D printed custom housing to protect it from outside environment. As we go up further, there is the body of continuum arm, which contains several spacer discs and were connected through compression springs, so they can adjust to their natural position. Each spacer disc is connected with help of universal joint and 2 instrumental small ball bearings. As there are 2 degrees of freedom in each joint, the whole system will have 2 into n degree of freedom, where n represents the number of joints used. And finally, for the end effector, there is a blade of 20 cm diameter is used, connected with a high RPM, low torque DC motor, as so to cut the coconuts efficiently. We have used this type of continuum arm device because this arm can bend and twist to cut all the coconuts on the periphery of the stem easily with just one climb. As it is very high from ground, moving the robot could be dangerous, but with this arm flexibility, we can easily achieve that. And the other specialities of this continuum arm is that from the CAD design, we propose that this whole device of continuum arm will only accommodate under 5 kgs. So as you can see, it is very lightweight and hence can be used in such a high moving robots.